Well, episode 9 already. See, told you we're gonna be fast. At least semi-fast. Well, anyways, we're working on another window episode. We're gonna be taking out this whole side. We already did all of these windows. You'll see some of that. But Angel's going around. She's painting all the rust with the edge, with the painting all the rust with the Rust-Oleum Rust and Reform. We're actually on the windows now, so we're about to take these bad boys out. The first window to come out, this one. We already have our station all ready with all of our supplies that we need. Already pre-cut and everything like that. Enjoy. It's hot and humid, but we gotta get it done, so. We're gonna grab this butyl tape right there. I'm gonna grab that. We're gonna run that along the whole exterior rim. And then after that, we'll grab some window caulking and we'll caulk around that with black so it's all complete. But that's what we're gonna be doing for the next, who knows how long. Alrighty, just a quick recap. Got these 2 windows redone. We just did some rivets down the middle. Did that, and then better start this last window. Got those inserts, and other than that, it's looking pretty good. I already have all this cut out, so we can start putting that in as well. So it's coming along, and just like that, all 3 windows reinstalled, resealed. Got new insulation and all the cracks, and yeah, it's looking good. All painted underneath and inside and in between. It's looking real good. Real good. So I'm gonna go through, take all these screws out. It's kind of like a clamp system, so one side clamps on this side, then the other one screws into the other side. So then after that, we're running butyl tape. So we're running new sealant around the edges. So all around the edges will be new sealant. And then after that, we're gonna do a window caulking around that. So they should be 100% watertight and ready to go, ready to be covered up. All of this is already cut out. So everything's cut out. All the ceiling is cut out. All of this is cut out. So it literally, after this, it can go in. So that's gonna be the biggest visual changer, I would think. Join along and enjoy the 100-degree day with us in your nice air-conditioned room, hopefully. Last window coming out. So this is all the stuff that we've been dealing with. So this is the rust that we've been going back through. This is why we resealed the windows in the first place. So we're just taking all this stuff out and then painting it with that Rust and Reform, and then the windows come back in, got the spacers. After that, all these insulation pieces get put in, and yeah, we're almost done with it. So big transformation hopefully here pretty soon. Yeah, you see how nasty that is. No, eat it. It's going in. All right. Good old insulation. Finally in the bus after being cut for like a month. And start filling the slots. Start just stacking them in, slide them in. I got all this. This is the only part I haven't done, is this crack right here on this upper, this curved crack. I'm not sure if I'm gonna slide them in behind it and cut the edges and kind of slip it in, or what I'm gonna do yet. So kind of leaving that. All of this is done too. I think this is where our ceiling vent will go. We have a max fan, 5100K. So it's the deluxe version without the remote, since I figured we'd be way over there and I don't know if the remote would even work. And I mean, I'm close enough to the ceiling as it is. So I think I can reach. Other than that, I think we might cut this and then make new supports going into here. It's gonna be a 14 by 14 square. And then all of our solar panels and everything will be back here. We got 400 watts of solar, so that would be on top back here. And then it'll most likely come in the middle somewhere. But yeah, it's looking good so far. Start throwing these guys in. See a big change now, hopefully. There's one wall. Of course, the time lapse stopped recording or something happened and it glitched out. I was filming the whole thing, but that stopped, of course. So there's a little end product. At least you'll get to see the change on this wall. But this one was pretty good. So stay tuned for this one at least. Dumb. At least you guys got to see that one. Gotta love cameras. Huh. It looks good though. Looks really good. Got that all done, all the window spacers, got that side all done. We got this piece of subfloor done. It's looking really nice. Another episode down. And we're working for it.
When I get closer, you can see me better.
All right, guys. Well, I think that's gonna be it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. My name's Bobby. This is
Angel.
And this is A to B Adventure. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button if you think we earned it. Hit that like button. It really helps us out. Leave a comment below if you have any ideas or anything like that. And we'll see you on the next one. Woo!